Here's a bunch more solid rose radishes that we grew. They get big really quickly, so really have to keep an eye on them. I really haven't had one yet that's been pithy or real hot, so far so good. I'll try out one of these big ones and see what that's like. I just thought I'd let people know, keep on top of them because they get big in a hurry. I just bit the end off of this big one and just to check it out, and it's really still not too bad, even at this big. Take another bite. Not too bad. There's a whole bunch of them. It's May 10th, and I let a couple grow just out of curiosity to see how big they would get. I'm going to pull this one now. Well, there's what it looks like. It's a big one. Okay, I had to retake that because Tanya said that's what she said. But anyway, there's a look at it. I'm not sure if this would taste good or not, but
That's what she said.
and there it is. They get pretty large if you let them.